Parents, this is an explanation of my semester-long grades. If your grading system doesn't guide students toward excellence, it's time for something completely different. Therefore, I have chosen to grade my students on a semester-long grading system. This may be different than some of the other teachers that your child has. What it means for your child is that there's no math involved. There's no averaging quarters. What you see in the gradebook is what you get. Students have the entire semester to work on their grade. There are more opportunities for makeups and redos, and there's an ongoing learning process. I firmly believe in the learning process, from where students are unaware that they are getting it wrong, to realizing, oh my gosh, I got it wrong, to learn how to get it right, and then getting it right without even having to think about it. So the very first two boxes here, I firmly believe that students shouldn't be penalized for this learning process. They shouldn't be docked a grade when they're trying to figure out how to get it right. So for that reason, I allow myself more time for grades when they're in the semester-long view for students. It communicates more effectively exactly where the student is at that time. There's no penalty for quarter mishaps. If a child is sick a lot one quarter, or they just had a rough start to the year, if there's personal things going on and they're not able to get things completed, it allows them longer periods of time in that semester to actually find achievement and success. It also allows for me to have flexibility with my gradebook and allows me to go back when I need to. This is an example of how quarter grades would look versus semester grades. For a student who got a 60% in first quarter and an 85% second quarter, in the old way of grading, the way that I did it when I averaged quarters, it would be a 72%. They would get a C for the semester, when obviously the information that they're learning is reflected at an 85% of understanding. So therefore, the semester grades, they might have a 60% first quarter, but they'll have an 85% second quarter, which means by semester, they'll still have an 85% on the transcript. The only grade that reflects on a transcript is the semester grade. So quarter grades are really just check-in points or progress points. Overall, I did this because I believe what is best for kids. I believe that this gives them the best opportunity for success in my class.